Morning from Lady Hayes Touring Park. Well, it's a holiday park actually. We're only here for one night. It's Frodsham in Cheshire, so we're on our way down to Wales. So we just thought we'd have this one night to just get Caravan all set up, because our storage yard is not open between Christmas and New Year, so you physically have to book a time slot just to collect your Caravan motorhome or to take it back in again if you've been away. So that's the reason we're here for one night. We got all set up yesterday. It was horrendous weather, but we managed to get it set up, and we've sorted all inside the Caravan out. So today we'll be moving on, and we're going to Betws-y-Coed. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and it's New Year's Day, and I'd like to wish you all Happy New Year. We're here at Riverside Touring Park for 3 nights at Betws-y-Coed in North Wales. We went out for a lovely New Year's Eve meal last night at the Royal Oak, and Karen ended up winning on a scratch card that was on the table a 2-night stay in a deluxe room at the Royal Oak, so we've got that to look forward to later in the year, so we just need to book that. So it's turned out, actually got some blue sky up there, and we've been to this site a few times and it's been on YouTube numerous times. I might just have a quick shoot round with camera, I'm not sure, but it is New Year's Day. I'm not sure what will be opening Betws-y-Coed, so we'll probably have a walk round there later on today. So if you want to join us here in Betws-y-Coed, please carry on and watch this video, and we'll see you a bit later on. Right, we'll just have a quick look round. That's your motorhome service point, and we're just here. I think it's closest we've ever been to facilities block on all sites we've been on. So we're on fully serviced anyway. So you've got all your fully serviced point round here. Water, electricity, and you're close to the drain as well. So this is your laundry. So it's £4 for a wash and £4 for a dry. Wash your time 35 minutes and dry your time 45 minutes. Veg prep and dishwash area. Baby and toddler, female and gents. It's raining outside. So you got 3 loos and 4 showers. And 3 urinals. Certainly better showers than at Lady Hayes anyway. Right, I'll have my shower now and we'll get ready to go out. Brave the weather on New Year's Eve. I've torch will travel. Yeah, all those New Year's Eves. It's right about needing a torch though. Have you chosen? You're still thinking? You got it? Cheers. Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year. Wine to follow. Just 1 or 2 night bed of breakfast break.
Congratulations! Fabulous! Oh, well, there you go.
Well, looks like we're returning to have a 2 night break in a luxury room. That's what you call a scratch card. Good one. Well, you got sea bass. You got sea bass. You got sea bass. Cheese and biscuits, and look at Karen's sticky coffee pudding. Eh? So what do you reckon to your 3 night out?
Oh, fab.
Or 2 nights?
2 nights.
2 nights in deluxe 4-poster room.
Well, front facing, what can I say?
That's the best thing we've ever won.
Yeah, brilliant.
We'll see you later on. Bye for now.
Bye.
It's actually emptied out a little bit this morning. It's New Year's Day today, so there's quite a few gone. I'm going to walk down to bottom of the site. I'm going to try and fly my drone a bit down Bart River, I think. So stick with me, we might have an aerial shot. Few service points dotted around. Right, so I'm walking down to the bottom of the site and we'll go down to the river while the sun's out. Certainly get some good views from this site though. See where there's a clear area to get me drone up. I don't really want to do it on the site itself. That's looking back up the site. Certainly a bit boggy down this bit. Yes, I don't think it's going to cease raining today. Good morning from another wet, miserable morning here in Betws-y-Coed. It's travel day today. We've had rain for approximately 40 hours non-stop. So we were up in an hour about travelling home yesterday, but there were yellow warnings out and that, so we thought we'd stay today, because looking at the weather app, it says the rain would stop round about tea time to 11 o'clock on 2nd of January, and then it'd just be cloudy. But it's been raining all night and it's still raining now, so we've no choice but to travel today. So it's his last day anyway, and I think they closed today as well, so we've no choice but to travel today. So we managed to get out on New Year's Day for a walk, which you'll see in this video, and I also managed to get me drone up and have a little flight, so you'll have seen that as well. So unfortunately it hasn't been the best New Year's trip away. We had a lovely New Year's Eve meal, as you'll have seen the pictures of, and like I say, we had that one dry day. So we'll be on his way home now, and we booked a couple of trips on Caravan and Motorhome Club sites, so they'll be coming up in future. So until the next video from the Caravan, we shall hopefully see you at the end of January, and we're off to Knaresborough, I think, end of January, if I remember right. So if you've liked what you've seen, there isn't much, don't forget giving that thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and please click that notification bell. It'll tell you we've uploaded some more videos. Keep an eye out for those island videos though, there's plenty more coming of them. I'm just busy working my way through the footage and editing them, so there's a few more of them to come this year. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.